Hey, welcome to How's It Channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to handle macOS freeze. There are a few options to help you handle macOS freeze. First, you can try to force quit the application. Press Command+Alt+Escape on your keyboard. Select the application from the list and click on Force Quit in the pop-up window. Open Finder and select Applications from the left side list. Go to Activity Monitor. Double-click on the frozen application and click on Quit. Another option is to log out and then log back in to your account. Click on the Apple icon at the top left corner and select Log Out from the list. If that doesn't work for you, restart your computer. That's it. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!